Greetings from Utopia, outer space. I am seeking an engine for my spaceship. It's a RotorWay 162F helicopter. Feel free to beam me up, Scotty. Now I'm just fooling around here on YouTube. Saturday, sitting around the house here. Yeah, I'm looking for an engine for my helicopter. It's a RotorWay 162F exec. And I'm in Taylor Ranch, New Mexico. Tell me how I look here. I'm messing around here on my phone. 206-437-2770 or cblogical@gmail.com. Again, I'm seeking another engine for my RotorWay 162F helicopter. Be greatly appreciated. And I'm broadcasting here from the high altitudes of Taylor Ranch, New Mexico. And
Dad, are you looking for another engine?
no, I'm not. I'm just goofing around on... goofing around on YouTube.